everybody. Today we will build an RC camera with the ESP cam. So we gonna need two motors, two lithium ion batteries, and a motor shield driver, and one breadboard, so one is enough, the chassis, and some wires. Just to start, we need to solder the motors, and then we will assemble it here. So, hello ladies and gentlemen, this is our final project. We have stick the breadboard here and put the ESP module with the camera side to this side. I've added an on and off button, just to save energy when we are not using the module. And to have this piece, you can just put the ESP in it, and then you plug it with the USB, and it has the restart and reset button as well. Now this is our code. There are three things we have to know before using it. First thing, we have to change the SSID to our Wi-Fi name. So for example, I'm use Linksys something, so just put SSID Linksys blah blah, whatever the name of your Wi-Fi, and then here's the password of your own Wi-Fi. Then sometimes the wiring is not ideal, so you can just figure it out yourself here, changing the right with the left, for example, or changing right forward with right backward, for example. If you do that, you might have the best combination that works for your own wiring. Then what we now gonna do is just downloading the code and play with the car itself. So first we just plug in our ESP, plug in our ESP, click on upload. Okay, when it's already uploaded, we see here below it's saying like 30, 40, whatever %. It means that it's connected now to the Wi-Fi. After it's 100%, it says photoid. That means it's accomplished. We press on the serial monitor, and after pressing on the serial monitor, just click on send, or just press enter. Restart the ESP itself on the ESP reset button. Do it again. So, as we can see, let's try to test our robot. Left, right, forward, and then backward. Giving light, dimming light, and this is what we need. So I will let you enjoy some videos of playing with the car itself.